What's up, guys? Justin A here. Today I'm going to be opening 3 packs on Pokemon TCG Online, and let's go. Okay, see what we get first. What we get? Chespin, Noibat, Scatterbug, Axew, Snubbull, Talmap, Starmie, Zerv Ticket, Zoroark, and a Simice here. Okay, let's do another one. Go, 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 go. Oh, the load bar. Why? Go, 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 go. Oh, rip. Psh. I wish it ripped like that. Alright. Got an Ampom, Concher, a Yamuna, or whatever, Litleo, Sneasel, Rapidash, Steelix Spirit Link, Nidorino, I don't know how to pronounce that, and an Ampharos. Okay, let's do another one. I should click open another, but let's go. I'm gonna click over here. One and out, pinky out. I'm gonna hold my pinky out the whole time. See if we get anything. See any EXs. Barvista, Jeltic, Rufflet, Marill, Shellos, a Ninja Boy, Skiploom, Clawfossil, Litwick, and Pinky does not help. Spirit Bomb. Okay, that's all. Like this video, leave a like. If you have subscribe. See you guys in the next video.